What's left of a bird?
Bird. I ate it. Wait, it might be the new fairy type Pokemon.
You caught it.
Oh my god. Is it Fennekin? Is it that new fire starter type?
Oh, I'm gonna use it as a toothpick.
Here you go.
Yes.
The best toothpick ever. Oh, it's so beautiful. Hey, look, another tiger! Except it's orange.
Another tiger.
Oh my god!
That's a dirty brown tiger, though. Ew. Ew.
Oh shit!
Not a royal white tiger.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look, I ate a bird.
Yeah.
I'm using his feather as a toothpick. Yummy.
Well, I'm not a tiger at all.
Ew.
You should go find a bird.
Ew.
First bird.
Ew.
Oh,
It's you.
it's me. Yeah, it's me.
Ew, it's not tiger.
Ew.
Oh no. You let this
I wanna go find some more fairy Pokemon.
Another velvet.